In the heart of a bustling village in British-ruled India, Burikhali East Primary School stood as a beacon of hope and enlightenment. Established in 1930, during an era when native Indian children were denied access to prestigious institutions, this humble school emerged as a sanctuary for knowledge seekers regardless of their background. Founded by a group of passionate education enthusiasts, Burikhali East Primary School defied discriminatory norms of the time. It opened its doors to eager minds, offering a haven where children could nurture their intellect and dreams without prejudice. Despite facing challenges and opposition, the school persisted, driven by the belief in the transformative power of education. With the dawn of India's independence in 1947, Burikhali East Primary School transitioned into a government-sponsored institution, reaffirming its commitment to providing quality education to all. Its establishment date officially changed to the 1st of April 1946, marking a new chapter in its illustrious journey. Under the dedicated leadership of head teacher Syamal Kumar Ganguly and assistant teachers like Rabindranath Bhattacharya, Bipul Sapui, Subrata Chand, Tania Chaudhary, Sikha Saw, Ainam Soren, Seema Mukhia Lekra, Subir Maiti, Sumanta Maiti, Joydeb Pal, Paulovi Karmakar, Premankur Mahato and Sogata Rana along with guidance from community leaders like Dr. Devdas Ghosh, Ranjan Ghosh, Katha David Rao and education officials like Kanchan Bhuyan, Sutapa Chakrabarti, Naja Tabassum, the school embarked on a journey of infrastructure development. Achieving accolades like the Nirmal Vidyalaya Award in 2015 for its cleanliness and green initiatives, the school's achievements were recognized and celebrated in the media, showcasing its commitment to excellence. Over the decades, Burikhali East Primary School has become synonymous with excellence in education, producing generations of accomplished individuals who have made significant contributions to society. Its alumni, scattered across various public and private sectors, stand as testament to the school's enduring legacy of empowerment and success. Today, Burikhali East Primary School boasts a team of 6 highly qualified and dedicated teachers. Armed with innovative teaching methods and a passion for nurturing young minds, they create a vibrant and nurturing learning environment where students thrive. The school's ethos revolves around child-centric education, where learning is a joyful and enriching experience. From providing free textbooks and uniforms to nutritious midday meals and scholarships, every effort is made to ensure that no child is left behind due to financial constraints. But education at Burikhali East Primary School extends far beyond textbooks and classrooms. Students engage in a myriad of extracurricular activities, from yoga and sports to cultural festivals and creative workshops. These experiences not only enrich their academic journey but also foster holistic development and a sense of community. As the sun sets on another day at Burikhali East Primary School, the echoes of laughter and learning linger in the air. Here, in this humble institution, dreams take flight, and futures are forged. For generations to come, Burikhali East Primary School will continue to illuminate minds and inspire hearts, serving as a beacon of hope and opportunity for all who seek knowledge and enlightenment. So for what you are looking for, come and join us for a better world.